Hi everyone, welcome to a new vlog, and this time it's all about gardening and all about getting rid of those stubborn weeds, specifically this white clover weeds that's all over our lawn. It's interrupting this field of green here in the lawn. So I think we found the concoction that will get rid of this clover, and we are sharing with all of you and hoping you can follow our lead. And if you have this issue as well, you're going to try it and see if it works for you. So here we go. You are my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much. Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday and it's gardening day for us today. It's a beautiful day and I've been very busy the last few weeks. So today we are gardening, weeding, doing yard work. Here we are with my mom. This was taken a couple of weeks ago. The flowers are coming along. The roses, knockout roses, are finally out. We're still waiting for the carpet roses. Everything's blooming late this year, and so I will take a video in the middle of summer to see if the flowers are, will do better. Our dogwood, some flowers but not full. So like I said, they're not all coming back this year. So that's how it is with gardening. Every season is different. Our issue is this one. We have a lot of this white clover in our lawn in front. So, we've been pulling it manually because I hate to use artificial stuff or ingredients or whatever fertilizers to get rid of them. So I am trying to look and Google and see what we can do on this, because it's all over. It's kind of pretty though, with the white flowers, but it's killing the grass, and like I said, it's all over. So it's time to find a way organically to get rid of these clovers, and I will try to find a solution. I'll Google and then I'll share with it to you later. After half an hour, I am back. I check on Bob Vila's website. I always check on his website for anything gardening, plants, and some home repair things. He's always helpful. But this is what he recommends: a mixture of white vinegar, soap, dishwashing soap, and salt. This is it. So we are going to do this. My mom and I will do this. The two active ingredients in this recipe are vinegar and salt. Vinegar contains acetic acid that draws moisture out of foliage, which will kill a variety of weeds. Salt, or sodium chloride, is also a desiccant. It's a moisture absorber, and it boosts the vinegar's ability to kill weeds. Just be advised though that salt can seep into the soil and kill nearby desirable plants. So we really have to be careful to just spray only the weeds that we want to kill with the white clover. The recommended mixture is a gallon of white vinegar, 1 cup of table salt, and 1 tablespoon of liquid dishwashing soap. So here's Mom mixing our own recipe here. We are not using the whole gallon of vinegar. We're only using a quart. We're using this empty bottle of dishwashing soap. That's what we're using to mix our ingredients, our recipe here. So here we go. Mom is using her homemade spout. It's made of like a thick paper. And it's working. Listen to Mom. She knows everything because we don't have a spout. So it's here now. I can't wait. Let's see if it works. I also have my own mixture of vinegar, baking soda, and lemon to use to cleaning the house, my household cleaner. All organic. Here we are, the front yard. spraying this mixture to this white clover, this weed. So we're trying here, Mommy's doing it, and we'll wait for a few days and see if this works. There's so much of it, so I'm afraid that the grass might be affected as well. So we'll see how this goes. We're not spraying the whole thing, just a trial, because we don't want to kill the grass as well. So here we go. So after a couple of days, this is how it looks. Oh my, yes, the white clover is not there, but we're also having this patches of dead grass as well. So whew. There's some areas there we didn't spray because they're looking. So here we go, we sprayed on here, and look at that. I don't know if the grass will come back. We might need to reseed or replant. Uh-oh, look at this. But it works. I guess the trade-off is we get rid of the weeds, the white clover, but then the grass too. So we'll see if the grass will go back. For the other areas that we still have the white clover, we might just manually remove them and be patient. And I don't want to just take any more chances that the grass will be affected. So stay tuned, we'll keep you posted. I consider this still a successful experiment, even though the grass was affected. But you can't win it all. At least I have all of this. Look at this beautiful flowers. I wasn't planning to take a picture or take a video, but look at this. Okay, I'm happy now. Even the grass is like also dying from our mixture, but seeing these flowers makes me so happy. Look at this. Okay, happy summer everyone, and hopefully you learned something from this. And maybe the key is like just spot spray and be careful so that it will not affect the whole lawn. So thank you all for watching. Be kind, be loving, and be inspired. Take care everybody. Till the next video. Love you all. Bye bye.